That's a cool chair. Did mommy buy anything? Where is she?
There was a bracelet that was like $9,000. Can you believe that?
Huh?
There was a bracelet that was like $9,000. Can you believe that?
Come on, go.
No, but then the sale down to $5,000.
Mà đạp không? Đạp không?
It was just like a string of diamonds. I got that. Oh, that's a pretty nice ring. That's a nice ring, yes.
Anh đeo cũng đẹp đó, anh đó anh đeo vô cho em đó. Anh hỏi mẹ từ đâu tới vậy, tôi nói Việt Nam. Đẹp đó, you deserve it chứ mà. Thằng cao đó đó.
Can I just take it away now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't just see that like when we
Lên trên tàu để chơi vui không?
Cái này you want hot?
Này chút cái vô đâu được đó hả?
Cầm vô đâu?
What is
You
that?
can.
Okay, I get it, okay. Oh,
Yeah, get it, honey.
Oh, you're gonna get full.
It's okay.
Okay,
Just give her
actually,
one.
never mind. I'm
Honey,
actually
get one.
no,
honey.
no.
Get one. Get one, baby. No, I'm good. Thank you.
More cupcakes. The chocolate. How do you get that? It just came with a plate.
Last night, nó bỏ đồ ra đây nó bán nhiều lắm nè.
Yeah.
Oh, right here, they still do it a little bit. Right here, right here. Is it this one? Is it this one, Lonnie? Oh, this is different. Cái này khác rồi. Oh, hai cái shirt for $30. Well, it's only $4.
Cái mua hở trên cái app trên cái thẻ mình nó không thích.
We did, honey.
Oh, right there, baby.
Wait, what are we eating for breakfast?
Izumi?
Again?
Yeah,
Cái này
it's better than...
Oh,
I want Izumi because I'm craving for Asian food now.
It's the love of your life now.
Yeah.
The
sick
love of your
tired.
life in this cruise.
Coi có gì em thích không em? Có pearl kìa baby. Leo, can you hold it? Movado. Oh. Cái gì vậy em? Baby. Đi coi coi.
Đeo nó đâu bị ngã đèn rồi phải không?
Sterling silver hả? Yeah. Sold separately. Yeah. Next 78 now. Oh, right now hai cái nó sell separately nha. But it's really cheap though, honey.
30 với lại 30.
40, 70. That's really nice price. Yeah, I get it, honey. Rồi đưa cho nó kìa. Excuse me, can I get this one?
The whole set?
Yes, ma'am.
Look it up. Match everything. Chơi đồ giờ thiệt không có tiền chơi đồ giả rồi.
Đưa cái thẻ cho nó. Okay. You got my card, guys? Cái miệng nó dính đầu kìa.
Oh, they dyed this cupcake real bad.
Food color, honey.
Your gums look good. Yeah.
It's all good. So what's this cool?
That is a nice one.
Should I get it?
How much is it?
It's 500.
What? I mean, it's not.
Oh shit.
It was one on the elevator. It was like a little night.
Does mommy get it already, guys? There's some nice prawn here. Where's the card, guys?
Mommy has it.
My card. Where's the card, baby?
69 though. Just check your card. Thanks, Taylor.
You're welcome. How are you doing?
No, I'm good. How are you guys?
Spending money. It's alright, right? Make them happy.
It's always fun.
Make them happy.
This one doesn't turn black or
It's rhodium mist, so it's nickel free, doesn't tarnish. We just say to try to stay away from like the jacuzzis and the water and all that with it. Do you know what I mean? To protect.
Jacuzzi and water.
Like if you can remember to take off before shower, it's better.
A rhodium mix. A rhodium. It's okay, honey. It's pretty though. $70. You can't beat that. Where's Izumi at? Up there?
level 8.
Up there.
Level 8.
Let's go eat breakfast, guys. What is
So
this?
now, for this one, I'm gonna teach you first the steps and then we're gonna dance the music song, alright? So for this one, we're gonna start with your right foot, okay? And we're gonna do 4 steps and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we change to the left one and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so one more time with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you got it? There we go. So then, when we get the 8 steps, alright? Then we're gonna start with the right to the front and we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna walk forward and we're gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And we turn around to the other.
Hey, okay, drink. Anybody want a drink? Oh, let's go see art, guys.
I made a mistake to see you doing your left, okay?
Đó ta đặt nó nãy giận tôi, nó đeo vô cho tôi, nó như bị sớm vậy nó.
No, honey, I want to buy you a good one. Cho bà già đi kìa con.
Cái này, cái bàn chỗ mà là anh mua cà phê á, có cái bàn đó. Bà kia vừa đứng đây em tới, tới em tới vừa đến cái ông bé nhỏ xíu.
Oh, they're auctioning art.
Oh, look at this.
Anh ngồi vậy đó, nó thấy chị nhỏ xíu mà chị nhỏ thơm, nó đứng dành cho nó phải mất em mới cho nó cái bà già nó tới, bà già nó vô xíu, ok, bà già nó nói, tại bà già nó thấy em tới, đứng nó cứ cái nồi.
Wow, I would like this one. Wonder how much this one is. The attic deck floor. So, but how are you gonna get it home though?
That, someone should ship it, I don't know.
They might ship it home.
Oh, that looks cool.
No, if I want this one. I want to put it in our house. The Airbnb của mình mà. I auction today. Attic. Can you take a picture of this, guys? Deck floor at home. I don't know. Okay. It's comedy club. Oh, they closed. Casino. Let's go eat, guys. then they come make a shot on honey. But we go Izumi right here. I think Izumi was like last night. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, you're fine. Hi. Hello.